Imagine waking up 1 year from now, still broke, still depending on people, still saying, I'll start someday. Now imagine the opposite. Imagine making money from your phone, learning valuable skills, and finally, building something for yourself. The crazy part, many people making money online today started with absolutely nothing. No rich parents, no expensive laptop, no big connections, just a phone, internet, and consistency. So in this video, I'm going to show you realistic ways to start making money online with zero capital, even if you're a complete beginner. And trust me, you do not need to be a genius to start. A lot of people think making money online is fake. And honestly, I understand why. There are too many scams, too many fake gurus, too many people showing rented lifestyles online. But here's the truth most people ignore. The internet has created more opportunities than ever before in human history. Right now, somewhere in the world, someone is getting paid to edit videos, write captions, manage social media, create content, sell digital products, or simply help businesses online. And many of those people started with zero money. The problem isn't lack of opportunity. The real problem is most people scroll all day, but never actually take action. 1. Learn a monetizable skill. If you want to make money online, the first thing you need is a skill. Now relax. I'm not talking about becoming an expert overnight. I'm talking about simple skills people are already paying for online. Skills like video editing, graphic design, copywriting, content creation, social media management, thumbnail design. And the best part, you can learn these skills for free. Platforms like YouTube already have thousands of tutorials. Instead of spending 5 hours scrolling aimlessly, spend 1 hour learning a valuable skill daily. That one decision can completely change your future, because once you have a skill, you now have something valuable to offer, and value is what people pay for. 2. Start freelancing. Once you learn a basic skill, the next step is freelancing. Freelancing simply means offering your skill online in exchange for money. For example, if you learn video editing, you can edit videos for content creators. If you learn graphic design, you can design logos or thumbnails. And no, you do not need to be perfect before starting. Most beginners make the mistake of waiting too long. They keep saying, I'm not ready yet. Meanwhile, someone less talented is already making money because they started early. Done is better than perfect. Start small. Improve as you go. That's how real growth happens. 3. Content creation. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful opportunities in 2026, content creation. And before you say, but I don't want to show my face, you don't have to. Channels are making money every single day using AI voiceovers, stock footage, text animations, storytelling videos, just like this one. You can build an audience around finance, motivation, tech, AI tools, business, or self-improvement. And once you grow an audience, you can make money through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products. The key is consistency. Most people quit too early. They post for 1 week, get low views, and disappear. But the people winning online, they keep posting until something works. 4. US free tools. A lot of people delay starting because they think they need expensive tools. You don't. Right now, there are free tools for almost everything. Free video editing apps, free design platforms, free AI tools, free stock footage websites. So honestly, the biggest thing stopping most people is no longer money. It's discipline, it's consistency, it's fear. Listen carefully. Nobody is coming to save you. Not your friends. Not motivation, not luck. If you truly want financial freedom, you have to build skills, take action, and stay consistent even when results are slow. Because success online is not magic, it's repetition. One video, one skill, one upload, one improvement at a time. That's how people slowly change their lives. So if you're serious about making money online, start today. Not next month, not next year. Today. Learn a skill, post content, take action consistently, and over time, your life can completely change. Subscribe to SmartCash Lab for more real strategies on making money online and building financial freedom. I'll see you in the next video.